Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to add custom fonts to your React Native project. So create a new project, React Native event fonts. This will take a few minutes, so I'm going to pause the video till it finishes. Okay, now the installation is completed. So I'm going to enter inside the project cd rm fonts. Okay, so now I'm going to download fonts fonts.google.com. Going to select. Okay, I'm going to add these two fonts. Add, download. Okay, font has been downloaded. Extract. Okay, the fonts we have downloaded, so you can check. Okay, one file is there, two files, so three files are there. Okay, now go to your project directory. This root directory, create one assets folder, assets, there create one fonts. Okay, so copy paste your files there, these two files. So just copy only the files, no directory. Okay, so I'm pasting files here. One more file is there, this one. Copy this one also here. So we copy pasted the files. Now link the project. Yeah, link. Okay, sometimes it will not be successful, so do one thing, check. You can manually link the files. So check your Android directory, Android app, main. Okay, so here if it's linked successfully, here one assets folder will be created, so that you can link manually. Copy this assets folder that we created now, copy the entire folder and Android app src main, so paste it here. Okay, now I'm going to open the project directory. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code to edit the files. Now open your package.json file. So here we need to add a few lines of code. Run let's add our asset folder folder assets fonts path. So we added here. So open our app.js file. So I'm going to remove styles and these things also. I'm going to add 3 lines here. Text one goes here. Style dot. So 3 lines I'm going to write here for font families. 3 2 3 text one font size I'm going to give 24. Font family I will give font family. So copy the font names. So this is the font file name. Copy the exact name and paste it here. Copy paste. Since text to x3. So font name, the font name here. The third font name and paste it here. Okay. So we added 3 lines here and we added 3 styles also with different fonts. Save the file, then run your project. So I'm going to use a real device to run this project. React Native run Android. Okay, so this is my real device. So build successful. So now it's getting loaded in the phone. Okay, now you can see 3 lines of text with different style, different font style. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, please comment it. Thank you so much for watching it.